Here's some coniferous forest trivia. Subscribe. Which type of tree primarily composes coniferous forests? Is it A, fruit trees, B, conifers, C, deciduous trees, or D, broadleaf trees? The correct answer is B, conifers. What phenomenon refers to the shedding of leaves in certain conifers? Is it A, seasonal change, B, foliage drop, C, leaf decay, or D, abscission? The correct answer is D, abscission. Which coniferous tree species can tolerate very low temperatures? Is it A, spruce, B, cedar, C, cypress, or D, larch? The correct answer is A, spruce. What critical role do coniferous trees play for wildlife? Is it A, aesthetic value, B, habitat, C, oxygen production, or D, soil enrichment? The correct answer is B, habitat. What is one primary use of conifer wood? Is it A, decorative art, B, paper production, C, construction, or D, furniture making? The correct answer is C, construction. Which tree produces edible seeds known as pine nuts? Is it A, maple, B, oak, C, pine, or D, birch? The correct answer is C, pine. Name a common pest affecting coniferous forests. Is it A, termite colony, B, bark beetle, C, brown recluse, or D, locust swarm? The correct answer is B, bark beetle. What type of photosynthesis is common in conifers? Is it A, light-dependent reactions, B, CAM photosynthesis, C, C4 photosynthesis, or D, C3 photosynthesis? The correct answer is D, C3 photosynthesis. What role do coniferous forests play in carbon storage? Is it A, carbon sink, B, carbon source, C, soil depleter, or D, oxygen emitter? The correct answer is A, carbon sink. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.